try to open the apps, nothing was working. So here, if you continue, after a few moments, the iPad will start to show the processing, the Apple logo, and then it's continuing the reset. If it doesn't do that, make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. The iPad needs to connect to the internet because the Find My network, iCloud, will go to the iPad and say to erase, to start the erase process. That's how you do it. Once the erase is finished, you can set up the iPad, but you have to enter your account information because it's going to be logged to your username. It's going to be logged to your own. Also, during the process, you can enter a phone number in case this is really that you're doing it, that the iPad is lost. Someone could see a phone number where they could call you to give you the iPad back. I will make another video where I actually do the reset, so I show you exactly how it works, and I might link it in the description. If you have any important data on the iPad, don't do this. Try to take a backup of the iPad also if you're doing that, and if that works, it might not work anymore. But yeah. The key point here is you lose your data if you do this and you do this. The key point here is that this is your own responsibility. You do this at your own risk and you will lose the data on the iPad. And if you don't have a backup of the iPad, then you have to do everything from zero, set up everything, including files, pictures, anything you might have is gone if they are not in iCloud and they're not copied somewhere else. Usually there will be the backup settings, and backup for iCloud should be enabled, but it depends on the iCloud plans that you might have. I hope this helps you unfreeze your iPad Pro M5 13-inch or even 11-inch. And if this happened to you, let me know what you were doing, how it happened. Maybe we find some pattern or something. Maybe it's a problem with the iOS 26. This is on iOS 26 now here. This iPad is running iOS 26. iPad Pro 13-inch M5, that's the model number. This iPad yesterday, literally yesterday, it froze like that, and I had to do a restore through the remote wipe, the erase option in the Find My app in the iCloud. But the iPad is back, it's working. It seemed like a software bug, so hopefully it's going to be fixed. Nobody else has this problem. Thanks for watching.